Fanik, and welcome to part 2 of the Unit 3E report. So we're going to jump right back into it. So serotonin makes sure the prefrontal cortex isn't inhibited and enhances aggressive behavior. So low serotonin and high impulsivity equals aggression. So dopamine is correlated with pleasure. This is an anticipatory reward, and it has gratification postponement. It keeps aggression controlled and low. This is what we use to restrain ourselves and to keep our cool. Testosterone is why males are more aggressive than females. There are lots of androgen receptors, or AR, in amygdala. So this is a big one that I like to study, which is environmental triggers. Environmental triggers are events and actions that offset certain behavior. This could lead to pain, stress, frustration, and relapse. So I like to add relapse into there because I work with alcohol and drug addiction clients at my job, and we talk about relapse a lot. So some triggers for a relapse would be alcohol, crowds, traumatic events, or the way that you're brought up. So evidence of prefrontal cortex and aggression would be dementia, stroke damage, REM sleep, repressed personality, and violent sociopaths. So now we're going to talk about our sex chromosomes. So males have the chromosomes XY and females have the chromosomes XX. The Y chromosome is what creates testes. The SRY gene on the Y chromosome encodes testes determining factor, or TDF. The gonad's biopotential. So females have ovaries and the males have the testes. So testosterone is secreted by fetal testes until after birth. The ovaries don't make steroids. It promotes growth of the male internal sex organs and mascularizes external genitalia. At 9 weeks after conception, the male and female external genitalia begin to become different, and between 14 weeks after conception, the genitalia is fully developed. The development is both organizational and activational in the male phenotype. So steroid hormones take action in a very important time of development to make body and brain male type. So first you have the Y chromosome, and it leads to the SRY gene, to the TDF, to the testes, and testosterone, which equals a male. So sexual orientation theory is a biological basis. So the first theory that I picked out was the finger ratio experiment. There are two differences in the ratio of the pointer, which is a 2D finger, and the ring finger, the 4D finger length on the right hand. Compared to men, women actually have a greater 2D/4D ratio. So the 2D/4D rate calculations in women are 7 inches divided by 6.8 inches, which would be equal 1.029 inches. So the men's would be 7.5 inches divided by 8.2 inches and 0.91 inches. So in conclusion to this experiment, women have greater ratio hormone dependent sex characteristics, and this is found in people as young as 2 years old. So the second theory I'd like to discuss would be the twin studies. So the Bailey and Pillard homosexual men, and the study happened in 1981. The concordant is both twins identifying as homosexual, and the discordant would be only one twin identified as homosexual. So the genetic basis for homosexuality in identical twins was 52%, and in the fraternal twins was 22%. The second one I would like to discuss would be the Bailey et al. Homosexual women. This was done in 1993, and identical twins were 48%, and fraternal twins were 16%. So the summary of today's two presentations are circadian rhythms regulate sleep cycles. There are 6 different stages of a sleep cycle. We spoke about emotional experiences versus emotional expression. We talked a bit about aggression and what makes male actually a male, and a few different theories and experiments that have to do with sex chromosomes. Thank you. Have a great day.